Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the AXLOIE, I think I'm saying that right, AXLOIE Bluetooth wireless speaker. Let's see, wireless speaker. You can see the packaging is very premium packaging. It's got that cool silhouette of the speaker there on the front. So automatically you're assuming what's going to be inside is going to be equally as premium. We'll be checking that out in a second. First, let's look at some of the features. You've got 360 surround sound, so it's a unique acoustic design to give sound all the way around the speaker. 12 hours of extra long playtime. It is IPX7 highly waterproof design, so okay if it gets wet. True wireless stereo music experience means you can use two of these to get stereo sound. It also has Siri Google Assistant voice activation and a dual equalizer mode with bass boost for sports. So all the features that you would want in a really nice Bluetooth speaker. Let's open it up and check it out. This box right on the top here, you've got your instructions, I believe. Yep, you've got your user manual as well as a charging cable, and it is USB Type-C, which is awesome. And then here is the speaker. Gonna rip that plastic off. There you go. And very cool design. You can see that nice textured design on the outside. You've got your buttons here, your Bluetooth button, volume up, volume down. Those may also dub as previous and next, and then a play button. These are raised, slightly raised, so nice tactile feel to them. On the bottom, you've got this great rubber foot, so when you set this down, it's going to stay put. It's not going to slide around. Very nicely designed. And then on the back here, you've got this nice cord so that you could hang this. If you didn't have a place to set it, you wanted to hang it up high, you could hang it up high, which is great. And then you've got a bass button back here, a power button, what looks to be like a LED indicator light, and then your USB Type-C charging port right there. And you can tell by the way this is designed that it's designed to protect it from getting wet. Once it's closed down in there, you don't have to worry about that. So really beautiful, beautiful design in this AXLOIE speaker. It has a 2600 mAh battery, which is really, really great battery so that it lasts a really long time. And yeah, really beautifully designed speaker, very nicely made, looks really, really great. Anyway, that's going to be it for the unboxing video. We'll have a link to this product down in the description on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, get it with future product reviews, and all that good stuff. Anyway, stay tuned for a demo video coming soon. That'll be demonstrating how this speaker works in action, all right? That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.